Discuss how a leaf can be adapted to maximize photosynthesis. 5 marks. So, what this question is asking you to do is essentially to list the adaptations that a leaf can have so that it has the highest photosynthetic rate. You don't want to be talking about the whole plant, so make sure you don't talk about things like extensive root network because this is just specific to the leaf. You don't need to offer any explanation, you'll just get 1 mark for each correct point you give. So I'd maybe give 6 or 7 just to make sure that if you've got a couple wrong, then it will compensate for that and you'll still get 5 marks, 5 correct points. So you can have anything from broad, large leaves, so that would be a larger surface area, so it will absorb more sunlight, and larger surface area means increased rate of diffusion. Have thin leaves, again, shorter diffusion pathway, so that's good for carbon dioxide diffusing into the plant and oxygen diffusing out. Have green leaves, and because green leaves contain lots of chlorophyll, which is the green pigment, which is the molecule that absorbs light. You can have a high concentration of chloroplasts, so that's within the cells themselves. Chloroplasts are the site of photosynthesis. You can have veins, so veins within the leaves are how water is transported within the leaves. You can have xylem, so xylem entering the leaves. That's again what the veins are really, so that means that the water can get to the leaves for photosynthesis. Air spaces, so that allows air to move through the leaves very effectively, so carbon dioxide moving into the chloroplast and oxygen leaving. Guard cells and stomata, so we know that stomata are those pores in the surface of the leaf that allow oxygen and carbon dioxide to move in and out of the leaf. And guard cells are those cells that control those openings and can open and close the stomata depending on how much gas is needed and to prevent water loss. And then a waxy cuticle limits water loss, so it means that the plant is waterproof, the leaves are waterproof.